Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It is great to see you all. Okay, let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Meidar-DESIGN and my partner is Agustiawan. We are from Faculty of Engineering, University of Muhammadiyah Magelang. Okay, my friends, in this presentation we will discuss design and development of grant research and community service management information system. This presentation contains introduction, methodology, result and discussion, and conclusion. First of all, introduction. The development of information and communication technology is very rapid by intervening in the Industrial Revolution 4.0, namely by utilizing big data. Digital data becomes useful when the data is turned into information. Our line of work required ICT to be able to compete with competitors. Governance by utilizing ICT will certainly reduce some conventional governance, including the long process, excessive use of paper, and sending data and information that is long enough and prone to be lost. University of Muhammadiyah Magelang is one of the private universities in Magelang. UNIMA has been established since 1964. UNIMA lecturers have the obligation to carry out the three dhamma of higher education to organize education, research, and community service. The dhamma activities that are well managed can improve career quality every lecturer, as well as improving the quality of the University of Muhammadiyah Magelang as an educational institution. In conducting lecture, research activities, and community service, the management is carried out by the Research and Community Service Institute, or LPPM. Research activities of lecturers who receive external grants from the Ministry of Technology, Research and Higher Education. The process to reporting on research activity are managed and monitored through the Research and Community Service Management Information System, or SIP Litapmas. By using a system of researchers, university operators, and the Ministry of Research, Technology and Higher Education can collaborate in a system to manage research activity effectively and efficiently. For research whose funding comes from internal source, it is called the Lecturer Development Research Grant Program, or PRVI. Problem begin to arise when information is needed regarding the status of research and community service for each lecturer or as well. LPPM as a manager must process the existing manual data, and it requires a long processing time. When such information is needed for strategic decision making, the accuracy and availability of the information is a critical issue. In order for data to be managed centrally and structured, a system is needed. A computerized and web-based system is a solution to these problems. Based on the problems that have been submitted, to be able to solve the problem that exists in LPPM UNIMA, research is carried out. This research will produce a management information system that can be used to manage research and community service grant proposal at UNIMA. Next is methodology. To achieve the objective of this research requires structured stakes, namely by analyzing need and design, system implementation, testing, and system maintenance, or SDLC, software development life cycle. Requirement analysis. The process of gathering requirement is carried out intensively to specific software requirements so that it can be understood what kind of software is needed by the user. Software requirement specification at this stage need to be documented. And process design. The design will translate the requirement into software design that can be estimated before coding. This process focuses on data structures, software architecture, representations, interface, and procedural detail algorithms. This stage will produce a document called software requirement. This document will be used by programmers to carry out system creation activities. And coding is the translation of the design in a language that can be recognized by the computer, performed by the programmer who will translate the transaction required by the user. This stage is a real stage in working on system, in the sense that the use of computer will be maximized in this stage. And then testing. Testing after coding is complete. Testing will be carried out on a system that has been created. This testing focuses on testing the software logically and functionally and ensuring that all parts have been tested. This is done to minimize error and ensure that the output produced is a desired. And the last support or maintenance. At this stage, it is possible for a software to change when it is given to the user. This change can occur due to errors that appear and go undetected during testing, or the software has to adapt to a new environment. The support maintenance stage can repeat the development process from specification analysis to change to existing software without creating new software. Next, result and discussion. The result of the research from developing the system is a research and community service management information system, or SIMPIPMAS, which has been installed at the URL http://simpipmas.unima.ac.id. Management of higher education management information system requires seriousness in its development. Universities without using ICT will be difficult to compete with the best universities. Proper management will increase the productivity of university. The research and community service management information system is able to provide research and grant and service grant governance relatively easily, structured, and systematically. Conclusion. Further research needs to be done to identify and fix the obstacle faced and provide feedback on experience from lecturers, reviewers, and LPMM users, as well as data processing from the processes that occurred in the system can provide input for policymaker and strategic planner to achieve the target and objective of the University of Muhammadiyah Magelang. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.